Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to How to Cook Great. On the menu today we're going to make this beautiful dish. It's vegan, by the way. We're going to make some tofu or tofu, however you pronounce that, with bean sprouts. Got some garlic, ginger, bit of soy sauce. Delicious. Let's go take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so I've got my tofu here, which I've cut into these pieces. You can cut them any size or shape that you want, actually. What we're going to do is I'm going to get that over to the cooker. We're going to just fry that off for about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm not going to spend too long showing you how to do this. I will leave a video at the end on how to prepare this. I'm going to fry this. You could pop it in the oven if you want. Okay, so there you go. About 5 minutes just frying that off. And like I say, I'll leave a video at the end that goes into more sort of detail on how to prepare this and get it ready. Okay, so now that our tofu is ready and fried, we can take a look at the other ingredients. It's very simple. Bean sprouts, obviously our tofu, 1 onion, soy sauce. I'm using a light soy sauce. You can use a dark if you want. Bit of bell pepper red, just for a bit of colour, and then a tablespoon of chopped garlic, and here I've got some fresh ginger. It's a big flavour in this. There's like a kind of, maybe that much, like a, 1.5 inches. You can really play around with that. We're going to start this off with some oil. In fact, we're going to use the same oil that we just fried this in, and some black pepper. That's about it. So like I say, I'm back in the same wok, and I'm going to use the little bit of the oil that we use for the tofu, or you can just put some in. I'm using the sunflower oil. You could use any oil you like, really. We're going to start off by dropping in our ginger. For a few seconds there, that'll infuse that oil, give it a fantastic flavour. Then we're going to go in with our onion. And now our garlic, and stay on a fairly lively heat or a high heat, and just go for about 2 minutes, keeping it moving all the time. Fabulous, all still nice and crunchy. Now I'm going to add in those bell peppers. Like I say, just a nice little bit of colour there. Put some carrots or other vegetables in if you want. A bit of celery maybe. In goes our fried tofu or tofu, whatever you call it. Gonna grab our bean sprouts. In they go. And we're going to stir fry this around just for about another 2 to 3 minutes. So easy. Get some black pepper in there. A little bit of salt. Don't go crazy with the salt, because we're about to add the soy sauce in, which is very saucy. A little bit of water, or if you like some kind of cooking wine or something like that. For me, water's perfect. If you wanted, you could get some fresh chilli in there. Fresh red chilli, chopped chilli would be nice. I'm keeping it nice and easy today. 3 to 4 more minutes and we're done. Okay, off goes the heat. That's it. If you wanted a little bit of cilantro or coriander in there, I'm super happy just like that. Now I've kept this vegan. If you don't want it vegan, you could put a little bit of fish sauce in there or oyster sauce. Give it a lot more flavour, but yeah, keeping this one vegan. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please give us a thumbs up. That helps us a lot. Say hello. Drop us a message. We like to hear from you. Lots of love.